Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to gamify your life in Notion. So guys, you've been hearing about Gamify and gamifying your life in Notion, and you may not understand what that is. So I'm here to break it down and also show you the steps on how you can also accomplish this. It's quite easy to do. First off, Gamify is basically just building your life, your schedules, your to-do list, your assignments, tasks, whatever it is you need to do using Notion and turning it into a small fun package that you can simply enjoy by yourself or with friends as the case may be. All right, so how do you go about, setting up a real life RPG game, setting up your character, your skills, testing the control panel, just basically creating a game version of your life. Uh, let's say you're dropped at the home menu. All you need to do is quite easy. Click on the arrow here that says more options and select templates. Once you have clicked on templates, go ahead and use the search to simply type in the live RPG and then click on enter. So once you have clicked on enter, you're going to be taken to all the, versions of the RPG games. We have some free versions here and we have some paid options which you may take interest in as the case may be. But this is one of the best looking ones, but I'll be going with this because it fits the aesthetic. So all you need to do now is go ahead and click on it first. Once you have clicked on it, scroll through and click on add again. When you click on add again, it's going to begin adding the template. And now all you need to do is now, once it's been added, just go ahead and click on see template. So click on see template and it's going to open up in a new tab. So basically it's going to look like this. All you have to do now is simply set up your character by entering your name, just editing every single Notion page that has been created on here, just editing it to fit into what you need. So let's begin from the character menu. All you need to do here is quite simple. Enter your name and any other thing about you that can be revealed, like your entry level at school, your age, your strength, your motto, and then you can also head back to the start page again by clicking on Live RPG. Once you've done that, scroll through again, click on timelines to simply set up when you want to read, when you have exams coming up, when you have tests coming up. It's quite easy to do. Just scroll through and you'd see upcoming tests. So you can just click on add new page and just put in, let's say, a math exam. And now you can add the date by clicking on add date and let's say on the 18th of 2026. And then subject is math. And then you can also add your readiness, getting there. And voila, that's all for that particular timeline. Then click on the live RPG again, head over to skills, quest, set up quest is basically you setting up your to-do list, and skills is, a skill 3 by simply adding your fitness, your finances. You can just simply click on finance here and you'll be taken to the treasury where you can enter your transactions. You can set up your goals, saving for a new laptop, holiday trip, gym memberships, and then the XP you earn would be entered here. And then you can now check all of the XP you've ever earned by simply scrolling through and clicking on the reward section. You would see your XPs there. All right, guys. So basically, that's how you can go about gamifying your life. It's quite easy. Just simply make use of a template, edit it into what you need, and you're done. Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.